Today we'll be showing you how to do a rat dissection.
First, cut off the tail using scissors to get it out of the way.
So next, cut off the ears using scissors. So first you're going to place it on its stomach, and you're going to pull up the ears and snip them off. Beautiful. And then the other one. Now,
Place the ears on the part sheet where it is labeled ears.
Next, place the rat on its back.
Use the scissors to cut a line down its stomach to open it up.
So after you cut it open where there's a bunch of brown, gross liquid that we'll be pouring into the sink. And so you'll bring your rat over to the sink. Make sure not to let any of the organs fall out and dump it out. This one's not too juicy.
Next, use the tweezers to take out the liver.
Rats have a liver but do not have a gallbladder.
The liver produces bile, which aids in digesting fat.
So right here's the liver, and you're gonna try to take it out intact, but there's another piece of the liver, and then there's a big chunk right here, and that is also the liver. I need 2 people to do that, and then
place it on the part sheet where it is labeled liver.
And then we're gonna take the remaining chunks.
Use the tweezers to take out the lungs,
which is right here, and a rat's lung displays a more monopodal airway branching pattern than a human lung. So, take out the lung, So you're going to take out the lung, and you're going to be placing it on your part sheet where it says "oh." There's one more. A rat's heart is significantly smaller than a human's heart.
Place the heart on the part sheet where it is labeled heart.
It should be in the
Next, we'll take out the stomach using the tweezers.
The stomach is located on the left side just under the diaphragm.
The stomach stores and breaks down food and digests protein.
Place the stomach on the part sheet where it is labeled stomach. Then take out the small intestine.
It's nice and long. It might cut out in pieces, but that's okay.
There's part of it, and you can place it on the part sheet where it's labeled small intestine.
There you go. We love the small intestine.
That might be all of it. Yep.
Next, they take out the large intestine using these tweezers, and the large intestine is right here.
Place the large intestine on the part sheet where it's labeled large intestine.
That is right wherever it is.
Use the tweezers to take out the spleen.
The spleen clears the blood of the damaged old particles of the body itself, but also foreign particles.
The spleen is attached to the stomach of the rat, and you can place it on the part sheet where it is labeled spleen.
Next, use the tweezers to remove the kidneys.
Place the kidneys on the part sheet where it is labeled kidneys.
Next, remove the diaphragm while using the tweezers.
The diaphragm is located just below the heart and above the liver. And place it on the part sheet where it is labeled diaphragm.
Next, take out the testes or ovaries. In this case, it's the testes.
And place it on the part sheet where it is labeled testes or ovaries. Next, use the tweezers to remove the pancreas.
The pancreas is located between the stomach and the spleen.
And place it on the part sheet where it is labeled pancreas. Next, place the rat on its stomach.
Next, we will remove the eye lenses.
Next, you're going to need to remove the tongue.
Place the tongue on the part sheet where it's labeled tongue.
Now place the rat back on its stomach, and now we're going to remove the brain. This is what the brain should look like, and then make sure to place it on the part sheet. Make sure to clean up your area when you're done.